Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be doing akara. So today's recipe is all about making akara. Okay guys, so this is my beans, this is white beans. So I'm going to wash it with warm water, and after that I'm going to and if today is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, please do me a favor to share me, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, so that whenever I upload any video you will be the first to notify. Thank you and God bless you. Keep watching. So guys, you can see my beans on. Hi guys, as you can see I'm finished blending my beans. So the next item I'm going to start using mortar to blend it a little bit guys. Okay, so I'm going to put it in my mortar. So hello guys, this is my onions and my pepper, dried pepper, my ginger powder and my garlic powder and salt. So I'm going to be putting it in my beans. Okay guys, so
I'm going to leave the pepper like that.
So guys, I just on my fire, so I want to put my fry pot, and this is my oil, my groundnut oil. So I'm going to put my oil. Hi guys, you can see I'm start frying my akara. This is yummy akara. So this is another batch. I'm going to put my onions and a dry pepper. And my salt. Ginger. going to stir it, guys.
Wait. You don't laugh finish, you just want the wrong go. No, now press that red button to subscribe. Yes, that red button, press that to subscribe. Now, yeah, press that bell. That school bell, press am to the get our notification. Now, if you dey go, thank you. I love ya.